All right, so we are back. Hi. We did awesome. Here's the bib. So excited about it. I'm gonna get it framed. Here's the medal. Isn't she so pretty? So I was Ariel today. I have on green pants. And then the back. So super excited about that. We got the box, the snack box. Let's see what's in Sid's snack box. We got chips. Try those. Fruit snacks. Skittles. Ooh yeah. Cheddar. Peanut butter crackers or sandwich cookies. And I'm so interested in trying this, the honey stinger. I got the honey ones, the honey flavored ones, and they're really good. So I'm gonna actually buy some more of that. And then it has a moist towelette in there as well. So that was really cool. And then we have obviously banana. We got a water, and then our choice of Powerade flavor. So that was the box and the end of our 5K.